Well, Orleans Municipal and Traffic Court will close this week for emergency repairs. A statement from the judicial administrator says the temporary location at 1601 Perdido Street is undergoing electrical repairs due to a power outage this weekend. There is no information regarding what those with summons to appear in court this week should do. This is at least the third power failure to shut down that temporary courthouse just in this past